Hey viewers, my name is Daniel Zangi and welcome to my YouTube page. So yesterday we did a video where I basically went out trying to get Meta glasses, and the conclusion of that video was that I was unable to find the glasses that were within my budget. And so I ended up concluding to say, what if I just get the glasses online through Amazon or something? Because I got to a point where I was contemplating on whether to get Meta glasses or a GoPro. And so in the end, I was like, you know what? Whatever. We're just gonna look around online and see what we can do. So in this video, we're just gonna do a quick reveal of the glasses that I bought on Saturday, and today is Monday, and those glasses have been delivered already apparently. So we're gonna look at the glasses and then we'll try them on and see whether it was worth it, or we're gonna start processing our returns. So stay tuned and let's do this. So this is the packaging right there. I'm not gonna show you my address, but yeah, this is the box that everything came in, and we're gonna unwrap this and see what we've got in here. Don't mind how I'm opening this up, I'm just gonna do it in a crazy way. Okay. So because the Meta glasses at JB Hi-Fi were like $600 or 650 something for the second gen, and then the first gen were 337, but then they were not in stock. And that's why I was like, you know what, I wanted to get the first gen because I was advised to say there isn't much of a difference between the first generation Meta glasses and the second gen, except for obviously maybe a longer recording period and the color changing thing, you know. So yeah, these were cheaper as compared to that. All right, so what do we have here? So I got these are like mic muffs. I don't even know if you pronounce that right, but for the mics that I got, which are not yet here, but we got that. I also got a 256 GB memory card for the glasses and for the GoPro whenever I get one. So that. And ta-da, here we go. What brand is this? What does it say? Quinton AI Smart Camera Glasses. That's the brand. And that's what the packaging looks like. So we're gonna open these and try them. I did check out a few videos online, and the reviews were not bad. Some people were claiming they are actually better than, not really better, but the quality isn't so much different from Meta glasses, and this is like a value option one. You get the same benefits but just spend less. Yeah, so I'm just gonna open this up and we'll roll from there. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. Smart glasses. Are you ready? Okay, so all right, so in here we've got a small cable for charging. We've got this little piece of cloth for wiping, and a bag for them. And we've also got a user manual right there. And for the moment that you all have been waiting for, oh, look at that. Yeah, that's the camera right there. I just hope they look good. Oh, they're not bad. It's just that they've got a feminine look to them, but who cares? Okay, so we're gonna try this on, and yeah, so these are the smart AI glasses that I ended up getting. So I'm gonna try them on, try to charge them for a little bit, see if they need charging. I'm gonna look at the manual. Then you guys are gonna come with me to Woolies because I wanna get some millimeter, and I'm gonna be using this to film just to see, you know, how they get to perform and whether or not it was worth it. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and hold up because we're still trying this on. Okay, I'm trying to find where the power button is. Should be one of these maybe. Oh, the sound is quite good. What, I don't know. What is this? Pod them on. What language is this? Como en Lanza. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys try to read that word.
Those who speak negative of what I've said deserve to go to hell. They don't know what they are talking about.
The BED something. Yeah. Then let's see what we do next. I think I finally figured out how to work around with these glasses. So as you can see, the frame is quite thick, which is good, and the sound is also pretty good. So I'm just gonna play these a little bit just so you guys know exactly what we're dealing with, and then I'm gonna record from the glasses to the shops just so you guys see what the picture quality is like, and you're gonna tell me whether it was worth it or not. Sort of play a video, and that should be, you see? You don't find that suspicious? That's quite loud. Yeah. And then if you want to take a photo, you know, you can see it's got two buttons right there, and it's also got a sensor right on the side which you can use to, I don't know, pause or something. I'm still trying to work that out. There's next, skip, depending on your taps and stuff like that. But if you tap the front button twice, you sort of take a photo. So I'm gonna come up close and I'm gonna tap twice just so you guys see exactly what I'm... Oh, what am I doing? Oh, that's a recording. Tap once for a photo. Wait, is this still recording? Okay. Yeah, that's a photo. You tap once, the front button, you tap it twice, it starts recording. So let's do it. That's a recording. Tap once for a photo. Lights on. Let's go. Right, so I just left home and we are now trying the glasses on. And you guys are going to judge on the performance of these glasses. So that's basically what we're trying to get done here, is test them on whether they are good or not, whether they're worth it. I wonder how long it takes for the battery to die. But at the moment, it showed me to say the battery is at 72% and the light's on. So in the night, this light can be noticed from a distance. I wonder if there is a way that the light can be bypassed so that it's off when you're recording videos and stuff. But yeah. To get a bag of meal in Woolies, you get to the international aisle, and we should have Excuse me. Sorry. So we have these right here. There's this one which is 2.5 kgs for $11, and we got 1 kg for $3.55. So instead of just coming here and walking out, I'm gonna get one of these, and yeah, that should be it. All right, let's walk out. So 1 kg for $3.55. I wonder how much that is in kwacha. Let's see. So kwacha is currently at, let's say, $12.55. Thank you. That's like 45 kwacha. 45 kwacha. Is it worth it for 1 kg? And how much are you? So now let's say if you wanna get 25. Oh my God, yeah, that's a lot. Omseva nyakaja ngaya diken. Let's see. Okay, zachoka. Anyways, we are done here, so we are now gonna drive back home. Thanks for tuning in. That was our mini trial for the Quinten AI glasses. Tell me what you think. Was it worth buying them or not? Anyways, thank you. Look them up and get them for yourself if you did like them. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for the support and take care.